We have a cable cut at 3 o'clock in the morning, or cable damage, lightning or something like that. We go out there and we don't wait till 8 o'clock and then go out. We're there. If you got a long-term project and they're putting a big power line or a water line or something close to our cable, we have to stay with them. And this might go on for weeks and even months. We're there. Anytime any activity's going on, we're there, even though nobody knows it.
If you're a business spending over $120 a month in long-distance services, and you think that you're saving 20 to 30% with another carrier, we want you to try AT&T Pro Watts. We'll waive the installation charges, waive the change charges, and if you're not satisfied and agree that we have the best value, price, and quality, at the end of 90 days, we'll pay to put you back on your other long-distance vendor. You can save 10 to 38% on AT&T long distance. Call us, 1-800-222-0400.